In today's video, I'm going to teach you to withdraw money from a Barclays ATM. Whether you're new to using cash machines or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the process clearly and safely so you feel confident every time. First, approach the ATM and insert your Barclays debit or cash card into the slot. The chip end should go in first, facing up, and you'll usually see an arrow on the card to guide you. Make sure you're at a genuine bank machine, keep your belongings close, and avoid letting anyone crowd your space while you use it. Next, enter your 4-digit PIN. Take a second to shield the keypad with your hand or wallet to protect your code. This is one of the simplest ways to prevent unauthorized access to your account. If you make a mistake, use the clear or cancel button and re-enter your PIN carefully. Remember, multiple incorrect attempts can temporarily block your card, so it's better to pause and double check. Once you're in, select withdrawal or cash from the on-screen menu. The layout may vary slightly by machine, but look for the option that clearly indicates withdrawing cash. Use the touch screen or the side buttons depending on the model. Now choose the account you want to withdraw from, typically your current or savings account, then enter the amount you want to take out. You might see preset amounts on screen or have the option to type in a different figure. Keep your daily withdrawal limit and your available balance in mind. If the ATM can't dispense the amount requested, try a smaller number. After that, confirm the transaction. The screen will summarize your choices, and once you approve, the ATM will process your request. Stay patient and keep your card in the machine until you're prompted. Removing it too early can interrupt the transaction. You may hear a brief whirring sound while the cash is counted. Finally, collect your cash when it's dispensed, and don't forget to take your card before you walk away. Some machines return the card first, others release the cash first, so follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Secure your money and card in your wallet or bag right away to avoid leaving anything behind. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from a Barclays ATM. With these simple steps and a few security habits, you can get your cash quickly and confidently every time.